How's everyone doing? Good morning. Lovely to see some familiar faces in here right now. I missed you all. What's good, Neo? Noodle Holtz, Spion, what's good? What's good? Not Wix9. What is up, chat? How we doing? Apologies, it's that little look in the camera that you guys hate, but not looking very tanned, bruv. I think it's the lighting, to be honest. I do have a bit of a tan. I don't know, wait. Let me see if I can do this. I don't know if you can see that, but we are pretty tanned, I can't lie. But yeah, it's just the lighting's washing me out right now. What's good, Sammy Munir? What's good? What's good? How you doing, broski? Eugene, what's good? Adam, Jan, let's go, chat. I'm glad to be back. I missed you all very, very dearly. Aditya, wow. Bro made it on time for the comeback stream. Made it on time. Let's go. It's good, Feltz. New cam. Yeah, we had it last week, but yeah, kind of new. Yeah. Behind you, what's good? Good morning, chat. Might have some potential positions right here on this next hourly close if we do end up coming and closing down below here, but. Wow, it feels good to be back. I need to get back into the swing of things. I need to get back in the habit of talking to you guys whilst doing the analysis. But yeah, I think we're gonna be chilling. So I didn't realize, but not that I didn't realize, but I didn't really think about it. But May, we actually were 100% win rate in May. We didn't take a loss. We didn't take a loss in May, so that's a bit of a dub, I'd say. Yeah. Not bad. And we started June off with only one trade so far for 10 pips, but okay, apparently it's not on here. That's why. I've got to do the American date. There you go. Yeah, June we've just had literally one trade, 10 pips. Simple. But yeah, May was a killer month. But anyway, let's continue with that good streak. I'm glad to be back on the PC and glad to be, actually at a decent sized chart trading, which is good. What's good, by the way, Rays? What's good, Veg Food Lover? Florian, what's good? Veg, how we doing? He's back, yes sir. He's back. Looking for a sell stop on the 30-minute flip SG. Nah, because it closed no bottom wick and it kind of closed at a level 2. So not for me, but if you want to take it, then feel free. But anyway, chat, I'm going to do the analysis right now. We need to go from the monthly, actually, because we haven't done a monthly analysis yet. But what do we have? Well, the monthly has flipped and reflipped twice, right? So we came up first, grabbed the top wick, grabbed the bottom wick, reflipped again, and we're just hovering around at this area right now. The monthly has not picked a direction yet. In my opinion, we probably need a little bit more liquidity. However, going off previous monthlies, liquidity is not a necessity. Bottom wicks are not a necessity for us to grab. Now, going to the weekly, what do we see? Well, the previous 2 weeklies closed very strong bearish, right? We closed bearish. We have room to come down to at least 2300 here on the weekly, I do believe. This weekly as well, same thing as the monthly, obviously. It's done sort of, a flip and reflip, started to hover about, which is interesting. If we start to break the lows again, you should be good to continue down to that 2300 area. My mouse feels weird. I don't know why. Okay, cool. So after that, what can we see on the daily? On the daily, we're looking at, to be honest, we've just been barcoding. We've really just been barcoding, but we're grabbing a top wick and attempting to flip right now. So if we can flip on this daily, what would you expect to see? You'd expect to see a drive down to at least fill these wicks and tap into this level down here at 2316-ish. That's what I'd probably be looking at, in my opinion. Oh fuck, my hair is chalked. Yeah, so expecting us to do that. What can we see on the 4? Well, the 4 as well, we've got 1 hour and 20 minutes left, so we've come in sort of, I don't know, previous 4 closed no top wick, next one grabbed the top wick and is continuing downwards. There is sort of a minor level here on the 4 at 23.28 that we can look to sort of see how we play off of. I'd say that's actually more like a major level, not really a minor level, to be honest, but point stands, we need to see how we react off this level. We started to reject a little bit just now. And the same on the 1, right? On the 1, it's also a level. So we're potentially going to be looking for just sells below this area here at 2328.9. Let me just check real quick. Yeah, for me, yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. I mean, potentially we could push it down to 27.5. Let me just see. That make more or less sense. I think we can leave it where it was, to be honest. I think we can leave it where it was. That works perfectly for me, I think. And then we'll be looking to target down at least to this 23.22 area, if not, you know, continuing further downwards, you know, way past that. But in terms of buys, what can we see in terms of buys? Well, buys probably, I would say, let me just check. It's going to be a little bit tough, but if you close back above this area at 23.38, that should be good for us to grab buys upwards. I'm not particularly too interested in buys right now, but any closure above that area should lead to a continuation upwards. So that's what we can look for in terms of buys. Now that is obviously, I've only plotted one line, but that is actually our range 2 buys. So yeah, it's just easier to do it that way. But yeah, sells below 28.9 should be good to take us down a little bit further. We understand that there is a minor rejection at 23.27 flat, so we'll probably be break even by that point. And yeah, that's what we're looking for right now, chat. Hopefully that makes sense. If it does, or if it did, let's say, please drop a like. I massively appreciate it. Make sure you're subscribed if you're new, and yeah, drop a like if you haven't already. Appreciate that very, very much. But cool, chat. We're back. We are back. Let me just draw these lines up real quick. How's everyone's week been so far though? I understand that it's halfway through the week right now. Feels like a Monday to me, but obviously it's not. How's everyone's week been so far? Hopefully it's been good. Oh, coffee. Back as fuck, boy. Yeah, trust me. We are back. Killing it from May. Good stuff for DTO. Good stuff. Big rejection off this level, though, chat. I don't know if you've seen this. I mean, technically, it could just be a 30 top wick, but a big rejection. So we need to see how this plays, as always. How long did it take to go trading full time? For me, about 9 months. Me, about 9 months, yeah. I did it a little bit quicker. Did the camera just freeze? That was weird. I just saw that shit happen. Did you have a good holiday? Where did you go? Greece? Yeah, Michael, I went to Santorini. It was fire, I can't lie. It was fire. I actually vlogged the whole trip, so I'm gonna wait for that to get chopped up by my editor, and then you guys will see that. It's gonna be hopefully it's gonna be a fucking sick vlog. I got so much content. I got drone footage. I got everything. So hopefully it should be good. We were working whilst we're out there. Chat. Oh my days. So I was working on the plane on the way out there, right? I was working away, editing on the plane. I get off the plane. I get in the. We had like a. I don't know, someone from the hotel picked us up, like a private transfer thing. And I was like, oh, nice. And then I was like, I feel like I'm missing something. What am I missing? And then suddenly, like 20 minutes after we left the airport, I was like, fuck, my laptop. So I started trying to call everyone at the airport, started trying to call all these people. And funnily enough, one of the air stewardess people, like the air stewards, like one of the guys, the fucking flight attendants, literally messaged, because he was like, he's asking me what I do for a living for some reason. I said I do Instagram, and he followed me. And then he messaged me on Instagram and said, I gave your laptop to the Greek like authorities or whatever, basically the Greek police at the airport, to hand into the lost and found. I was like, oh, sick. I'll go back tomorrow and grab it. So when I got my car the next day, we got this Jeep thing. When I got that, I went back to the airport and they were like, nope, no laptops. We haven't had a single laptop handed in here this week. I was like, right. So essentially you're telling me that you've just nicked my laptop then. So that's what happened. And yeah. No more laptop for SG. So the moral of that story was, or the point why I was telling you, was because I was gonna upload a shitload of videos whilst I was out there. I had 3 videos that just needed final touches and then uploading. And then that happened, and then they were all gone. I was like, fuck. Part of the game, eh, chat? It's just part of the game, but yeah, tough. Robbed indirect. Yeah, that's wild. Thing is, what can I do as well? This Greek guy was like, no. We have no laptop. I was like, you did? Prick. He's like, no. Can you find it with Find My... Bro, yeah, it's not active though. I looked, but it's not active. I put it on the locked mode. But I think, I don't know. Punch him, yeah. Classic. What's good, Baron? How you doing? Yeah, I'll just take on a whole airport. Can't you track it? Yeah, but it hasn't come back online, so I don't know. No backup. Now the videos are backed up, but the point was that like I couldn't upload it whilst I was out there. But they'll be uploaded now. Or tomorrow, whatever. Or today, sorry. Yeah, I'll upload one today for sure, but just yeah, not ideal. Anyway, that was the little story time with SG. The rest of the holiday was insane. I did a lot of reflecting, chat, whilst I was out there. I was reflecting on my trading a lot. I was just, most of the time when I was, I don't know, sat somewhere nice, I was just thinking about what, you know, adaptations we can make, how we can improve our game, improve the trading and everything. And I think I unlocked some wisdom. So I think that we're super locked in right now. There's gonna be another level up coming. I'm very, very certain of it. So I'm excited for this quarter, this month as well. Should be sick. Yeah, okay. We're not in a new quarter yet, are we? New quarter starts next month. I was thinking, is this a new quarter? But no. Take your mini. Crazy, Tyler. Crazy. Next time no one in that airport gets out alive until a laptop is found. Yeah, trust me. Trust me. Just start scrapping everyone. We'll just pull up together. I'll get everyone a flight. We'll pull up together and start scrapping airport security. Sounds good. But yeah, chat, we do need to do like a team Trendlines trip. That'd be fire. I reckon we do it with the group or something. But yeah, could be so sick. Let's see though, chat. So I'm getting used to this time zone again right now. So essentially, what is it? We've got 13 minutes till the hourly close, and we have an hour and 13 minutes till the 4-hour close. So can some volume kick in? Volume obviously normally starts to come at around 9:30, 10ish. So we can either wait for that, or obviously if it kicks in before, we'll jump on the wave. But right now we closed on the previous 30, no bottom wick. This 30 is just coming up. Nothing I can really do here right now. Have to wait for some closures above or below, in my opinion. Welcome back, bro. How was Greece? Yeah, it was really good, thanks. It was absolutely great. It was sick, can't lie. But yeah, I can't wait for that vlog to come out. Hopefully it's good. I always struggle to vlog stuff because I just get loads of content, but then it's like sometimes just here and there and everywhere, but it should be good. We will see. Yeah, we'll see. So we actually hit 2.7k subs yesterday, which is fire. So we were growing even though I wasn't posting much. I think the shorts did it, but yeah, that's huge. So we're getting very close to 3k subs. Now, remember chat, every single month we do a giveaway. What do you want this month's giveaway target to be? Should we make it 4k? Should we make it 4k? Because I know last month it was 4k, but we came resoundingly short of that, but that's okay. What we can do is we can do a 4k target. Or if you want to be ambitious and have a bit of a bigger giveaway, we can do 5k. Creed's back. What's good? Good morning and good evening to the people out here in this educational stream. I urge all the people to learn with full concentration from this wise gentleman. Be patient and learn with him with heart to be able to run long. Sorry, there's someone in the way blocking it. Fire, Creed. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Bro's back with the positivity. Let's go. 10k, yeah, 10k target for the month here. But I've seen all you guys in the Discord working away whilst I've been gone. I saw the people in the coaching group jumping calls by themselves. I saw people taking dubs, people helping each other out with psychology stuff, which I'm very happy to see. But yeah, that's huge. Absolutely huge. I see where you've been. Missed you. Bro, been out here. Roaming the world. Roaming the world. But yeah, I spent way too much fucking money in Santorini, chat. I can't lie. It was not a cheap holiday, so we need to lock in right now. I need to recuperate some finances. Nah, I'm playing, but still, we are locked in. You know it's good when you're like in Greece or like in wherever it could be, right? You're on holiday or, you know, somewhere where you should be relaxing, but all you can think about is improving your game, work rate, leveling up and all that stuff. So you know that's when you're locked in. And for me, realistically, I could not fucking wait to get home. I've literally been excited to get home the whole time, which is probably not the right mindset to have. It's probably not healthy, but I just wanted to be locked in. And yeah, that's the move. Locked in, man. I wonder if I wonder how it's gonna affect the stream viewers. Obviously we took a week off, so obviously it's gonna take a dip, but I wonder how that works. Not that really matters. It's just out of what is that word? Curiosity. That's the word. Okay, chat. So 8 minutes this 1 hour close. Let's see how we close here. If we close below 2328.9, huge. If not, then maybe we need to wait and see. Maybe we need to wait and see. The daily, to be honest, is coming close to flipping right now. Any closure below here should lead to that daily flip, and that should give you an extra continuation to the downside. Realistically, I'm not sure if I want to be taking buys right now. The only way I probably could is if we come down on this next 1 hour open, make a bottom wick for the previous 30, and then flip, maybe. But in reality, I'd rather take the sells if I'm truly honest. And I'm not tired, chat. Finally back, you mad lad. What's good, Joshua? Yes, sir. We're back. We're back. Nah, I'm super pumped to be back. I can't lie. I properly missed it. So, yeah, super hyped. Hopefully you've been good though, Joshua. Chat, can we just close below and then get a nice little top wick and a flip? That'd be nice. Just the perfect trade for the comeback stream. Imagine we take a loss on the first stream back. I mean, it is what it is, right? But just be funny. Buys would be nice from 22.5 if this candle goes down without top wick. Otherwise, sells are good below 29. From 22, yeah, if it taps 22.5, no top wick, then yeah, maybe. They're a long way away though, but yeah, like 100 pips away. How was the holiday, bro? It was sick. Yeah, it was really good. Really relaxing. The hotel, like, I don't know if it was really a hotel. I'd say like, yeah, sure. The hotel that we stayed at was fucking sick. I can't lie. It was really, really nice. You know, proper relaxing, and did some cool shit. It was also hot, which is nice. So classic that we landed back into Britain last night and it was just pissing it down with the rain. Literally could not be more rainy and grey. Like the night we got back, I was like, this is home. We're back. If this 1 hour closes bullish, that could be another way that we grab some buys as well, potentially. We have rejected off this area numerous times and then pushed it up. Good Eugene. Let's see that chat. 5 minutes here. Is there a zoom? Oh shit. I could put a zoom in. Wait, I'll put the zoom on later. I don't want to fuck it up with the streams because I don't want to risk getting the frame drop again. I'll put it on towards the end, and then we can have a little parlay. But yeah, chat. I tried to upload last night like a quarter of the footage I got from Greece, and it said it was going to take 250 hours. So there's a shitload of footage I'm trying to upload to the drive, and yeah, let's see how that goes. There's got to be a better way for me to send footage to my editor than just uploading it to a Google Drive. Surely, right? What's good, Yusha? How you doing, bro? Are these buys above 35? Wait, no, it's not gonna be 35. Yeah, these buys above 35.4 could be decent, depending on if we get the right formation or not. Because we've now come and tapped into a liquidity area down here at 23.28. If we then came and closed back above 23.35, you could be looking good for, yeah, for those buys. Whenever I upload to a Google Drive, the quality goes. Do you find that? Yeah, I don't even know what to. I don't even know like what to, how. I don't know how to get around that, to be honest. All my footage is filmed in 4K 60 FPS too, so it's huge files. I don't know if they compress it or not, but there's got to be a better way. Like, what are these big YouTubers doing when they send footage to their editors? Or are they just literally giving them an SD card that they have in-house? That could realistically be what it is. What's up, Mika? How you doing? Good morning, good morning. Greetings, my degenerates. Yeah, chat, do you like that Instagram reel? Bro, I thought that was so funny, I can't lie. I just had the idea in my head. I was like, I have to shoot this. Where is it? Wait. So.
Excuse me, what do you do for a living?
I catch 10 pips every day in front of 250 degenerates on YouTube.
Oh, crazy. Thank you.
Bro, distance and dipped. Yeah, classic. Classic. I've been an editor for a few years, and my client and I had a shared OneDrive folder, and he would just dump his footage daily. It was weekly vlogs though. Bro, Neo, you might have to hit me up. I'm always looking for more editors. So if you've got, you know, capacity to take on some work, then give me a shout. Show me some previous work, and then we'll see. That's us. Yes, sir. Okay, chat. 1 minute to this hourly close right now. It was weird talking to you guys again. I like it, but you have to bear with me if I go quiet. Yo, he's back. What's good, Max? How you doing, bro? What's good? What's good? Yeah, we're in no man's land right now. Nothing I can really do here if we close in this area. I would make a copy on the Type-C flash drive and post him the copy. Yeah, that's a good idea, AJ, but my editor's in the US, so it's gonna take like a week for him to get the footage. It's gonna cost me a fucking fortune posting a flash drive every 2 days to America. But nah, that is a valid idea if they're in the UK. I should probably find a UK based editor. Breakfast update, Weetabix now. Good, so you've gone off the shitty apple flavored porridge or whatever it is. Fuck porridge. Might wait for another next 15 minutes or 30-minute candle closure. Yeah, realistically, I'm probably going to have to wait for the next 15 or 30 closure. Yeah, you're right. Probably the next 30, if I'm honest. This is just not really the best price action right now. Yeah, it's not the best. So we'll see. Oh. Big yawn, wow. Wow, wow, wow. But yeah, chat, what's your goal for this month? Tell me. New month? We're nearly 50% into the year. Deep that. That's crazy. 50% into the year is mad. Hopefully you've come 50% into your goals. If not, you need to get to work. What are your goals for the month? What's your goals for this week? Break it down like that and you'll be chilling. I need to get to work. Ricky Singh, bro, what's good? Nah, you've been doing well. You've been sending me your P&L. Been doing well, man. Keep pushing. We've been moving quick, bro. So quick. Too fast. Give me 2025 soon in like 6 months. That's crazy. That is absolutely crazy. Slowly and surely, too many expenses. Yeah, I feel you, bro. I feel you. I absolutely feel you. Still trying to fix trading psychology. Exclamation mark journal. What a plug, Spion. What a plug. Yeah, so Spion, I think your psychology is good, man, but I feel you. I feel you. Time for us to catch some dubs though, chat. This month. Locked in. The fuck. So locked in here. It's going to be insane. But yeah, chat, drop a like if you haven't already. Really appreciate it. We need to ramp up these streams again now that I took a little break. I don't know about you guys, but I get so anxious when I take a break. Like this holiday, I was kind of anxious the whole time about not working and all that stuff. I don't know if you guys get that, but I think it's a good thing. I can't lie. I'm not complaining at all. What's good, Jules? Welcome back, bro. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Welcome back yourself to the streams. Yeah, same. Yeah, okay, cool. So it's not just me, eh? Nah, but for real, it's I think that's a good sign. Most people don't have that, to be honest. I get scared that I'm gonna... Not scared, I don't want to say scared, but I just want to be out there working. That's all it is, I can't lie. That's the only way I can explain that feeling. Okay, so the new 1 hour candle opened with a top wick. Potentially we can get this wick fill down here. I'm not interested in it personally. We've come and tapped this level twice and rejected off of it twice. So for all I know, we could just continue to push up here, mirroring sort of a move like this or like this. For me, I'm not interested in that at all. Need to wait for some closures here. We're currently in this range, so you know, same as always, no trades within this range here. Once you're outside of this range, then you can start looking, right? It should be good once the volume kicks in. It should be good. No trade range, yes sir. Oh, let's see actually what's going on over here. So I didn't even check Forex Factory today. Do we have news today, chat, or no? Oh, we do. PMI and NFP. Big news. Non-farm employment change. And PMI. So, big news today. I hate days like this, I can't lie, where you have two news events in the day. Not the biggest fan of that because realistically, like, you can't trade around 1 and now you can't trade around 3 as well. So it's like, I don't like it. For me, a no news day or a 1 red folder day is the best. But you know, if you have to, then you just adapt to it, right? But yeah, I know news brings volume and all that stuff, but yeah, sometimes it just makes everything chalked, right? Because the stops suddenly become massive. If you're not trying to take 150 pip stops, then once news comes in, you're basically out of the game. Because how are you going to take a trade after news when it's just cleared out about 1 million ranges without having massive stops? Just sell, you'll be alright. Yeah, trust me. I've got an idea, chat. Let's get 2 accounts. Okay. You guys sell. Or half of you guys sell, half of you guys buy, and then we all just pitch in. Yeah? Deal? Alright, cool. What's the minimum top wick or bottom wick you would look for before taking an entry on a flip usually? To be honest, most of the time it's common sense. So normally I'm looking for areas to be tapped. So let's say, for example, you know, we get a closure below. Actually, should I use above? Is that a better example? Yeah, let's say we get a closure above this level, right? And this is just an easier example for me to use. Say we get a closure. I don't have zoom, so I can't use zoom annotations. But let's say we get a closure up here, right? Now I'm going to be looking to the left and seeing every time we closed above this level, where did our top wicks or bottom wicks, sorry, come to? Now, if we get a closure around this area, where are we looking at? Well, our bottom wicks have been, you know, firstly there's been one here, then there's been one here, then we've had one, you know, that's come down into the, well, a few, sorry, that have come down into this area. This one didn't come up, so we don't take this one because, I mean, we could, but realistically we didn't continue pushing, so this wasn't enough liquidity in my eyes. And then this one we grabbed from around here, so then I'd be looking for an average of this area, probably be looking at around some middle ground at around 23.34, and that's what I'd be looking for in terms of the wicks. Now if you don't have that previous history, I just like to use common sense. So obviously if you know, when we're at all-time highs, or if you haven't closed in a certain area before, then you just have to use common sense and say, if it's a big enough top wick, it's a big enough top wick, right? You can kind of tell. You're gonna know. For example, if you have to zoom in or whatever, it's not gonna be a good enough top or bottom wick. The other thing too is, let's say that we were looking for buys right here and we were waiting for a bottom wick. Because we had no bottom wick on the previous candle, I would need this next candle to come down and make a wick below there to make this bottom wick for these two previous candles before coming upwards, right? So those are just some things that you can look at. But yeah, like I said, sometimes it is just a common sense approach. Sometimes you're looking for areas to be tapped into. So, you know, let's say again that we have, wait, it's probably easier for me to use it on the 4 as an example. Yeah, so you know, you could look at specific support or resistance levels being tapped. So for example, if you close above here, you're looking to get this area being tapped maybe, to grab that liquidity as you've done in the past. So you can look at where your previous levels are. You can see a tap of this level here before continuing upwards, exactly like this candle did. You can see a tap of it here. Obviously it tapped it here as well, but we haven't yet flipped. So you know, you can look at levels being tapped, or you can look at where the previous wicks were. Oftentimes those are the same thing, right? Oftentimes they correlate, because you see this level here being tapped numerous times before coming up in the past. Make sense? Hopefully it does. Hopefully it does. What's good, Tommy? Welcome back. We missed you. Thank you, brother. Thank you very much. But yeah, hopefully that was a good explanation. Oh, Spion, can you clip that, please? Thank you, brother. Gotta go now. Have a job interview now. See you tomorrow. Hey, Noodle Holes. Good luck, man. Good luck. Okay, one sec, chat. Sorry, my bad. Cool. What's up, my man? Where have you been? Bro, we've been away. Been on holiday, PC. We went for a little trip. Lone Trader, what's up? How you doing? What's good, man? I'm chilling. I'm chilling. How are you? Let's see the chat. So we've got 47 minutes here, 17 minutes to the 30-minute closure. Can we come up above and close above this area at 23.35, or can we come back down, flip, and then close below 23.28? Either way is potentially going to lead to a position for us. We just need to wait and see for these closures, and once that happens, we're going to jump on that wave as always. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Yeah, it's been good. Sometimes chilling outside gives us inner peace. Trust me. Honestly, this is the main thing that I realized with being away is Oh shit, I'm not in the middle of this frame. Hang on. Let me fix this. The main thing that I realized with being outside is literally just reconnecting with nature and how much that can, you know, benefit your brain. I think once you start to, I don't know, yeah, reconnect and obviously spend some more time outdoors, you end up being more, I don't know, cognizant, and you end up, you know, having more mental clarity and reconnection with the earth and that sort of stuff. And it sounds all holistic and whatever, bullshit or whatever, but really is true. I think I think that's the main benefit I got from going away just now, was just stepping out of devices. Literally just stepping out of devices, like spending days off my phone, which I'd never done for the past couple of months. Obviously my job is trading and social media, which is essentially both. You're required to be on a screen 24 hours of the day, and then just going from that to being like, especially being on a boat in the sea is like the best feeling in the world. Being on a boat, I swear to God, it's like, I don't know, humans are meant to be near water. I'm certain of it. It's like the most, I don't know, centering thing that there is. Yo, SG, just hopping in for a sec from holiday. How are you, mate? What's good, Dan? Have a good holiday, bro. I'm chilling. I'm very, very good. How are you? We love all you earthlings, really. Yeah, Tyler's an alien. I forgot about this. It's the sun. Yeah, it might be, Max. It might be. The sun is, yeah, it's great. We don't really get it in England. That's why I'm trying to move. But I might have to move to somewhere Greek. I don't know. Cyprus, maybe. Tax haven. I'm very good, mate. Holiday in Spain and now in the gym. Keep the work going. Oh, fire, bro. That's sick. I couldn't really find a gym in Greece, or I could, but to be fair, that's probably an excuse. I just didn't actually train. I did like workouts on our like balcony / patio thing, like terrace. But other than that, I didn't really do much. But I think I needed a rest week, to be honest. I've been going hard as fuck, so I'm okay with that. But good stuff, Dan. Have a good one. Enjoy the sun and the workout and all that good stuff. Weather looks good for today, does it? Yeah, it's not too bad actually. It's not too bad. Not too bad. Hopefully you can grab some sun. I can't wait to get back in the gym too. I'm not gonna lie, I cannot wait to get back in the gym. Go and, I don't know, hit chest maybe, something like that. Biceps, I don't know. But yeah, that's gonna be a good ass feeling. Let's see here though, chat. We've got 13 minutes left. What is this, what's this 30 minute gonna do? Gym grind is back, let's get it. Yeah, trust me, gym grind is back. I made a little, wait, I'm gonna post this today actually, so I don't know, I can show you I suppose, but made a cool ass little Instagram reel working out on the balcony and shit. It looks, wait, how do I show you? Wait, whoa. Can I play this? Tell me that doesn't look sick. We're hustling. Missed a dirty chest day yesterday, bro. Yeah, and I was so pissed off when I saw you guys were doing chest yesterday. I was like, why? But yeah, fair enough. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Are you training today, Jan, or no? Thanks, mate. I'll hop in tomorrow for a London session. See you in there. Yeah, see you in there, Dan. Have a good one, bro. Yeah, 12 minutes here. There's definitely potential for a trade, right? So let's just, there's like different levels of locked in. We're not like super locked in right now, but we're, wait, let me move this to the left a little bit. Hang on. Better. Perfect. Yeah, we're not like mega locked in right now, but we're well, we understand that there's potential plays coming in the next 10-15 minutes. So we need to wait and see for that. Once it gets closer to the closures, we'll go into the next level of locked in. We need to make a scale, like DEFCON 1, DEFCON 2 type shit. You know what I mean? Be like, chat, let's move to lock-in mode 3. And then everyone's just like, shit. Super locked in. What's good, Aniket? How you doing? I'm good, thanks. I'm good. Not training today. Got PTs. Yay. No, I'm joking. Fair enough. I'll hit a solo session then. Solo dolo. Unless Mr. Joseph is around. Yo, what am I seeing here? What have I just seen on US 30? Why is anyone know why that just happened? What the fuck? Sell now, I guess. Bro, that's crazy. I just looked in the corner of my eye, saw on my other monitor that US 30 was going crazy. But okay, chat. So 10 minutes here. The 5 minute is about to close. Oh, is it gonna flip? Let's see. I'm about 78% locked in at the minute. Yeah, that's about right. That's about right. We'll move to 100% close to this 30-minute closure. Volume's coming in though, chat. That's a good sign. That is a great sign. There's a lot more volume right now in the market. We're moving a lot more, which is good. Like we said, it comes in around 9:30-ish. Again, the volume predictor is next level. 15 open, no top wick. Yeah. So, that's a good point. 15 and the 30 are going to be conflicting right now, or the 1 as well. 15 keeps coming down, it's going to get close to that 1 hour flip. But then, yeah, the 15's got no top wick. So if you see this flip right now, you might end up closing back above on the next 30-minute candle, which could be interesting. Could lead to a position for us. Who knows? Not me. Yep, I'm there. What's good, volume? How you doing, man? What do you think about today's market? I think there's a lot of potential, Aniket, but I think we need volume and we need some direction. We haven't really picked direction right now. Oh shit, my story didn't upload this morning. That's so shit. Instagram keeps shafting me. I was wondering why. Yeah, it's fine. Gonna upload. Cool. Chat, yeah, we also have 100% airport win rate still. We took a trade yesterday in the airport and the signals. Took a dub as well. 100% airport win rate continues. I think I worked it out. I'm 8-0 in airports recently. Oh, well, not recently, at all time, sorry. 8-0 in airports. It's huge. Maybe I just move to an airport and trade from there consistently. That's the infinite money glitch right there. That's the infinite money glitch. Wouldn't you class that as a fake out on the 5 and 15? Yeah, but I'm not really looking at 15 or 5 fake outs. Like, I don't really take those positions, if I'm truly honest. I prefer the 30 right now. Live in the lounges. Yeah, trust me, Raze. Live... Bro, that's not a bad life. I wonder how long they would kick you... How long until they'd kick you out? Probably not very long. Probably a few hours and they'd be like, right, what are you doing here? I just use it as a confluence to... Yeah. No, I get you, Michael. Yeah. You're right. Not the trumpet guy again, he's back. I don't even know if this is a trumpet, but I'm going to classify it as the trumpet guy anyway. Okay, 6 minutes to a 30-minute closure. What is going to happen here? Who knows? I think it's 4 hours in a lounge, and then you can sometimes pay for 2 hours extra from my experience. Might not be everywhere. No, I think I've spent 4 hours in a lounge before. I don't know. But the lounge at Gatwick, this is the first time I've flown from Gatwick ever, I think. Or the first time I've flown from Gatwick and been able to go to the lounge. And oh my days, the lounge in Gatwick is crazy. So fucking nice. Way better than Heathrow as well. ISG, good holiday, work ready. Yes, sir. What's good, Steve? Great holiday, and yes, super locked in right now. Next level locked in. We're gonna go crazy this month, I can tell already. Yeah. Time to go insane. Yeah, give me 2 seconds. I'll literally be back in a second. There's 5 minutes to this 30-minute closure right now. We need to see what that does, but I'll be back in literally a sec. Yo, we're back. We are back. No counting today. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But yeah, we're back, chat. So, wait, yeah, cool. 4 minutes to the closure. Again, the race starts counting out. This guy. Yeah, let's see how this happens. If we close in the range, again, we're probably just going to have to wait for the 4-hour closure. If we close outside on the 30, then okay, good. But we have 33 minutes to the next 4-hour closure, so I would rather wait for that if it isn't on this 30. Obviously, makes sense, right? My worst lounge experience was Qatar. Food wasn't great, and the private room happened to be with everyone, so not private. Oh, shit. I thought, yeah, fair enough. I thought Qatar would probably be decent, but it's not. My worst one ever was Cologne. German airports are famously shit, right? They just are shit. Cologne airport lounge is just, it was just toss. So bad. Yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, chat. Anyway. Let's see. We've got 2 minutes to this closure. What is going to happen? So true. Yeah, 100%. Chat, also drop a like if you haven't already. Much appreciate it. We have so much value coming. It's insane. We have the free course. We have funded trading review. So much stuff coming out this week. It's going to be insane. So drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. That's much appreciated. And then, yeah. Time to kill it this month. We're locked in. 1 minute here. It looks as if we're probably going to close in the range. It looks as if we're closing in the range. Yeah, not much I can do here. We might have to wait for the 4-hour closure, I can't lie. It's lagging every now and then. On my end, it says it's fine right now, touch wood. But on my end, it says everything's good. So I don't know if... I think my camera might lag now and then, but I don't know. Apologies if it is like that. Apologies. Fuck, I'm tired though, chat. I got home at like 1 AM last night. Trying to fuel up. I ate so much food too. Absolutely so much food. It's stupid. Did you see David Goggins' 30 simple push-ups? Nah, what's that? Is there like 30 different types of push-ups or something? So chat, yeah, we're closing just in the range. Nothing I can do here. The volume seems to have died off a little bit as well. So I'm going to wait for that 4-hour close. Hopefully that can bring us some more volume and some more potential setups. The 4-hour closes have been eating recently though, so I'm not worried about that at all. They've definitely been, I think we've been getting quite a few trades on the 4-hour opens, which is good. So hopefully we can get the same again today. Is it the bring Sally up thing? Is that what it is? Yeah. Yeah. I've tried that. That shit is hard. The bring Sally up, bring Sally down, push up challenge thing. That is difficult. I've tried that before and failed it. You know what I mean, chat? The one where it's like there's a song and when it says up, you go up, and when it says down, you go down or whatever with like push ups. Shit is hard to do. Oh. Easy. Yeah, and you probably got it. Actually, to be fair, I haven't tried it in a long time, so I think I tried it like a year and a half ago and I failed it. But now I'm much stronger, so maybe. But then again, I probably don't have the same stamina, so I don't know. We could try it. Try it if I could be bothered. Yeah, you're stronger. Yeah, also heavier. Yeah. Oh, chat, true. I need to weigh myself. We'll try it later. Yeah, we can try it later. Sure. I'm down. Morning, Stu. What's good, Ja? How you doing, broski? Welcome back. Welcome back. I need to stop looking at the camera. I don't think that looks good. Lustig. Yeah. Again, chat, we're just in this range right now. Not much that I can do. We have to wait for some closures, wait for the volume to pick up. That's either going to be at 10 or 10:30-ish. I'll stay on until around 11, I think, if I can stay awake for that long. And then, yeah, we'll see. Nice trip? Yeah. Fire trip, bro. Absolutely fire. It was really nice. Really nice. But yeah, chat, if we get to 4K subs this month... Actually, 4K subs I think is easily doable. But anyway, I'll do it anyway. I'll give you guys an easy giveaway. If we get to 4K subs this month, I'll give away... I'll give away 4 funded accounts. 1 for each 1,000 subscribers. So you have 1, 2, 3, 3.5 weeks essentially. 3.5 weeks. Go fucking engage with all the content, share it with your friends and all that type of stuff, and then we'll grow it easily. Simple. Yeah, 4 funded accounts. Why not? But speaking of that, chat, speaking of engaging and boosting the streams, let's try and get to let's try and get to 75 likes if we can. Much appreciated. I want to see if I can give you guys some positions right now. Try and keep the education flowing. Get some nice positions. We're gonna see. We'll do a re-analysis for the 4-hour. What we're looking at closer to that time. Just because I like to refresh our minds just before that 4-hour close to see what we're looking at. Obviously, it's a whole different ball game when you're looking at 4-hour closures, right? So, yeah. I was hoping that the first stream we had back would be like crazy volume, nice setup, but I mean, to be fair, the setup's still gonna come. Just whether or not we have the volume. I think we will though. I think we'll be chilling. Yeah, we should be good. And obviously we've got pixel letters later. Most important part of the day. Most important part of the day. Yeah, why is this in my recommended? Like, what is this? I've just gone on Firefox, right? How I discovered my own asexuality without knowing it. An article by Eugene. The uninhibited joy of queer vacation destinations. How motherhood helped me own my queerness. Right, it's a propaganda machine. Why not take the train? Experts on what's needed to get more Europeans to ditch flights. Bro. This is mad. Alarm edge. What's good for you? How we doing, broski? How we doing? How's Asia? Where are you at right now? What country? Butter my pips and call me a DTR. I just woke up. Crazy. What's good, Crypto Maniac? How we doing, bro? That's a crazy way to enter the chat, I can't lie. The ultimate joy of queer vacation destinations is crazy. Bro, I wish I would have known before I took this trip. I could have looked them up. Didn't want to say that. What are the queer destinations? I've clicked on this now, so it's gonna just fucking, my targeted ads are gonna be there. Oh my god, this is just tapped. Of course, of course. Of course. Bro, chat, it's so obviously in front of your face. This is crazy. Look at this, man. So they've got... Bro. So in this LGBT article, yeah, at the bottom they've got a pro-Biden thing, an anti-Trump thing, pride bugs. Yeah. Sure. Neighborhoods, you know. They know their target audience, bro. Insane. The mad thing is as well, people will read that and be like, yes. Yes, okay. Just pure propaganda. The neighborhood is crazy. I know, yeah. I know, that's where Hugh lives, though. So don't say too much about it. You'll offend him. Yeah, my bad. My bad. I take it back. I take it back. Neighborhood is crazy. Although you gotta give it to them, that's a creative ass name. Why not take a direct sell from the top of the range? PC, it's just not part of our plan, right? There's no sells right now. Unless we get an onion play forming. We need some closures though, right? What we could do is we could wait for a 30-minute bearish closure here. And then wait for a top wick and a continuation down. The issue is right now that we're getting close. We're only 20 minutes away from this 4-hour close. The 4-hour close is also what's going to give us a much stronger idea of the direction for the day. So we're looking at, you know, where we need the 4-hour to close, right? Anywhere below this area at 23.33 is going to be good for us to continue down. Okay, we should be good after that. Yeah, closing below there should be good. Every time we've closed below this area, we have continued to push down. You know, at least to this 23.28 area, sometimes 23.22. So because of that, that's what we'd like to see, a closure below. That would also be then, yeah, probably a bearish 30-minute closure, which we could then lead to an onion play downwards. But we'll have to wait and see, right? Essentially, the way the 4-hour closes and opens is massively key here. Massively key. I love this stream because we can go straight from talking absolute shit to just straight into trading knowledge yet again. That's why it's the best stream, I think. Just we go straight from talking absolute nonsense to talking about trading information and everything. That's fire though. That's fire. That's how it should be. It's just a little bit of fun and then straight back into being locked in and the educational side. So, 17 minutes to that closure we were talking about. Like we said, a closure below that area down here at 23.33 would be ideal. Despite that, a bearish closure anyway on the 4 like this, even if we close sort of respecting this area here, should be good for us to continue down, I do believe. Just because, you know, we're closing back into this range, and every time we close into this range again, we fill it, right? This is essentially a 4-hour fake out right here if we close how we are right now. We would probably need to close at the minimum though below this 23.34 area before we continue down. Or at least that's what I'd be looking for. as I say that, we start to push up. That's fine there. If we, the alternative, right, chat, is if we start to come up and close above, close maybe like, you know, above this 23.35 area on the 4, that's going to then be almost like a celery play, right? We're closing respecting the level, and on the 1, that would actually just be a regular breakout, right? Or actually, you could call it a fake out, but either way, that's going to be a decent sign that we have a continuation to the upside. The daily, again, would be, I mean, the daily is not looking ideal, but at the same point, we could just continue this barcode, right? The way that gold has been moving recently means that you can't just expect the candles to flip when you think they should, right? You know, previously we'd be looking at this candle and saying, right, it needs to flip and make a top wick, and this one needs to flip and come down. Similarly to something like this, right? When this came up, we would have expected this to end up creating that top wick for a flip. And here again, but it just seems to not want to do that, right? So on the daily for me, yeah, on the daily for me, you can't really pay that much attention to the flips because we haven't actually been doing that classic old top wick flip liquidity grab stuff on the higher time frames as of recent. Make sense, chat? Hopefully that makes sense to you, but that's something that I've noticed recently. Maybe the 4-hour will turn bullish. That might be a little bit of a stretch. I mean, yeah, how far away are we? We're like 30 pips away. To be fair, it's not too bad. Yeah, 30 pips away is possible, but at the same point, even just a weak bearish closure would be an indication. Sorry, chat. Yeah, that would be an indication for me that we'd just be looking to continue up. Now, this 30-minute still has no bottom wick as well, or not really a big enough one, and the 15 just closed no top wick as well. So interesting candles being printed here, a lot of no wicks and all that stuff. So can we deal with that potentially? Just need to wait and see how this closure happens in about 15 minutes here. Did he take a trade? I want to see how he did. If he already did. No, not today. Not today, my friend. We're still hunting right now. Still hunting. Hopefully the volume can pick up though towards the end of this 4-hour close, and you know, leading into that 4-hour open. It's very possible. This 4-hour close used to bring a lot of volume. It stopped doing that as of recent. The 4-hour actually has been a drop off in volume from what I've seen so far, but maybe this 4-hour is going to be different and we start to see some volume coming in. Definitely some potential, chat, so stick around if you haven't already. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you're new. And yeah, let's see what happens here. Why does everyone show the 4-hour so much respect? Because it's the most used candle with a high confirmation that occurs regularly, right? You get, what, 8 4-hour candles in a day? Is that right? Or 6? 6 4-hour candles in a day. Okay, and yeah, I mean, because of that, right, each confirmation is a lot stronger. So think about it this way, like when the daily closes at a certain level, that's a much higher confirmation than the 1 hour is. And similarly, wherever the weekly closes, it's going to be a much higher confirmation than the daily. So the 4-hour is just another candle with a much higher confirmation than that 1 or that 30, because it's happening 4 times less than the 1-hour candle. If that makes sense. So due to that infrequency, the strength of the confirmation is a lot higher. At least that's my opinion on it. Some people also use the 8-hour and the 2-hour, but I just like to stick to the most frequently used ones because I think that's what most people are going to go off of, and what is going to push price the most. Today was a crazy day. Candles have a small bottom wicks, but they just drive up. Yeah, sometimes it happens, man. Sometimes it just happens. It's just part of the game. And we'll have to wait and see here. But yeah, realistically, I'd like to see this 30-minute close with close bearish. That's what I'd like to see. That'd give us a really nice onion play. Looks like it'll be some nice sells after a 4-hour top wick. Yeah, it depends. You can never really tell because the moves have been happening towards the end of the 4-hour and the 1-hour closures, right? So in these last 10 minutes, in the last 5 minutes, whatever, it could everything could change, right? So we just have to wait and see. Because for me, yeah, like I said, yesterday we were waiting for a trade. I think it was raised, right? We were waiting for a 30-minute closure below or something. And it was like a minute before the 30-minute close. And Raze was like, okay, closing below here. And then it instantly just rejected up in the last minute and didn't close it below. We're like, sick. It's just how it happens, right? That's how it happens. But yeah, what I'm saying is the moves have been towards the end of the candle. And that's why you also get the no wick candles. Because if you think about it, if it starts making the move towards the end, it's already making that move before the candle closes, right? And the next candle just continues up with that volatility, with that volume, right? And the momentum. So what that means is you don't need to come back down and grab a wick before coming up, because you're making the move towards the end. So the next candle, as it opens, just pushes up. Pretty simple. So like it'll be pushing up, and then the next one just instantly, opens with another sort of continuation of that move, I would say. Whoa, look who's back, you cheeky boy. What's good, DK? How you doing, brother? The one and only DK. Topic guy goes crazy yet again. DK, the 2 pips gatherer. Hunter gatherer for the 2 pips. We'll take 2 pips a day any day. Who was it? I don't know. I said to someone that if you could take 5 pips a day guaranteed, would you do it? And they were like, no, because you can get more. I was like, bro, I think it might have been you, Baron. I'm taking 5 pips a day any day. It's guaranteed. Five pips a day, full margin any day. Trust me. I don't see the problem with any of that stuff, but I guess we think differently to the rest of the market, right? Everyone else is talking about 4-to-1 RR. 10% per trade gained. Like, bro. I don't know. I don't know. As long as you come out positive, that's alright. Yeah, exactly. That's the move. Like, I don't care how anyone trades as long as you're profitable, right? If we can be profitable like this, then why would we listen to anyone who says it's not the right way? That's what makes no sense. So chat, 7 minutes to the 4-hour close here. Interesting. We have a little bit of a conflict here though on the 1 and the 4, right? The 1 hour is going to be closing bullish. 4 hours is going to be closing bearish. Now, every time I look at taking sells or whatever, I think back to something that Raja Banks used to say about how if the previous candle's green, you can't take sells. The previous candle's red, you can't take buys, right? But obviously, there's some nuance to that. And there's some, added thought to it, which is essentially, you know, we could either take the trade off the 4, or we could take it on the 1 expecting that bottom wick, or we could take it off the 30 if the 30 closes bearish. So there's always some nuance behind everything. There's no simple rules. 1,900. Wait, hang on, let me read this. How many numbers is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Is that 198,721,387 pips is better than 10? It is indeed. It is indeed. My jeans. They're crazy. Let's see the chat. 6 minutes. Can we get some volume here, please? If it doesn't happen on this 4-hour close, we'll wait for the next 30-minute, and then we'll see what happens from there. But if it's not moving at that point, realistically, I'm gonna have to call it in the group. And yeah. What's good, Green? How we doing, broski? Raja Banks. Yes, I told you. I told this. That's why I lose every trade on stream. Bro, no way there's an actual Raja Banks on the fucking... like a... Who made a fake Raja Banks account, huh? And we live. Yes, sir. We back. Back from holiday, Green. Locked in now, my boy. Locked in. Yo, what's good, Boaz? Welcome back, man. How you doing? I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. How are you? Yo, chat, can this 30-minute close bearish? That'd be actually so nice. This 30 can close bearish, that'd be huge. 5 minutes. Yeah, it's possible, chat. So lock it in a little bit here. We've got 5 minutes to the 4-hour close. Definitely some potential right here. My IG was flooded with your content, mate. Hey, I'm glad to hear that, man. I'm glad to hear we're pushing on the algos. I need to keep pumping out some more IG content. I can't lie, because I've been slacking recently. Yeah, I've been slacking on the Insta content. I need to keep it pushing. What's up with the beef between Raja Banks and Donvo? Bro, I don't know, and I don't care. I don't listen to... Well, I don't really pay attention to other traders or any beef or anything like that. Yeah. We're just in our own lane right now, PC. All we think about right now is team trend lines, and we think about the markets and being locked in. That's literally it, right? Other than that, nothing matters. No social media beef, no other traders, whatever it is. Peace and pips, yeah, fire. That's it, that's it. I mean, yeah, we don't listen to rap beef either. Very true, bro. The amount of people that... Bro, my boys that don't trade or don't, like, you know, they just... They're good lads, but they're not into, like, entrepreneurialism or anything like that. So, like, they just... In my group chat, all they're talking about is Kendrick or Drake or, like, which football team's winning what. And I'm like, bro, like, I love these guys and all that stuff, but I can't really associate with that. Not associate, but I just can't. It doesn't interest me anymore, you know? It doesn't really interest me. Battle rap. Yeah, we could start battle rapping. Why don't you hire someone for your socials? Doesn't have to cost that much. Yeah, Boaz, I have a team of, like... I just run my IG because I know how IG works and I'm good at, like, catching Instagram trends, right? So I like to run my IG myself. But I have a team for everything else. I have editors, I have, you know... I don't want to expose too much, but I have a lot of people that I'm paying to do stuff. Okay, chat, cool. So this 30-minute just flipped right now. Can we come down a little bit, close with a... leaving a little bottom wick, like... just a little bottom wick. Please don't fill the range before we can actually get in our position here. Thing is as well, it's a 4 hour, so we're gonna need a decent top wick. Realistically, I'd like to see us come and tap into this level again on the 4, at least. That'd give us like a 30 pip top wick, 20 pip top wick, something like that. That'd be okay. But definitely potential here, chat. So lock it in. There's definitely potential for a trade right now. I said it specifically that way to see if there's someone who's got the bot where the viewers flood in when I say there's potential for a trade. Because we've been noticing recently, whenever I say like there's potential here, we get like 30 or 40 more viewers in the stream. So I tried to say it that way on purpose. But let's see. Be like, okay, chat. Didn't you learn from Don? Yeah, J Trades, I did. Yeah, I did. Hold up, let me send out my message in Telegram to tell everyone. Yeah, trust me. Bro, I'm pretty sure there's a fake Trendlines Telegram. And it had like a shitload of people in it as well. I've seen someone with it. Oh shit, chat. The volume is coming right now. Wow. Pause. Absolutely pause. But can we close bearish on this 30 here? That's quite important. What we'd be looking for is a top wick leading to that flip. The 1 hour also would be respecting this, or hopefully can respect this overall level here at 23.32. That would be absolutely ideal. Okay, so we closed here, chat. Opened up with a bit of a top wick. I need a bigger top wick than this though, chat. We are currently... Yeah, let's see here, chat. Let's see. Lock it in. Definitely some potential right now. How big are stops on the 4? Stops on the 4 are quite big, I can't lie. 1 hour stops and 30-minute stops would be great. It's just whether or not we can use that, bearing in mind we do have a 4-hour closure. So if we come up and make a decent enough top wick, then great. If we come up and tap almost to this level here, then that would be huge. If not, we might have to wait and see some more closures, or at least, you know, wait for a bigger top wick to be made. Coming up here though, chat. So let's see. Oh, big stretch. Okay, chat, cool. That's a nice top wick being made there. Let's see what happens here. We need to come up a little bit further, okay? We flip here right now, chat. I don't think I can take this personally. Yeah, chat. Yeah. Not much I can do here. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna be back in 2 seconds. Yeah, stay locked in. All right. I just gotta be back in literally 2 seconds. So, we're back. We're back, chat. My bad. So yeah, we ended up flipping here, and starting to push a little bit, which is tough because there's something behind him when he's back. Very crazy. Took him 10 minutes. Jeez. Yeah, shush chat. Nah, crazy. But yeah, there's nothing I could do right here now, chat, on this trade, because realistically this was a 4-hour open and our top wick was only 7 pips. So for me personally, I'm not really interested in that. I would have wanted a much bigger top wick to be made, especially if we were going to use you know, if we were going to use these stops here on the 30-minute stops, because yeah, well, obviously for a 4-hour you would expect more liquidity to be grabbed, you'd expect a bigger top wick, and so yeah, because of that we're gonna have to wait and see how it forms. Make sense, chat? Do you know why swap is 2 times at Thursday to Wednesday? Is it? I didn't even know that. I don't really ever come into account, like, I don't really ever encounter swap because I don't hold trades overnight. Rarely. Unless I can't remember the last time I held a trade overnight, to be honest. Bro, it's taking ages to come back. I took like under a minute. But unless you're swinging, swap doesn't really matter. I suppose maybe you are swinging if you're asking me that. But yeah, I think, I don't know why. But just getting sells then and you get double the swaps. You're going to get double positive swaps if you're in sells, right? So it shouldn't. Hey, Mika, no hostility in the chat, bro. We don't do that shit around here. We don't do that around here. Woke up last week with minus $50 swap. Oh, that is tough, bro. If you hold it overnight as well, then yeah, it's not good. See the chat? This is why we didn't take this trade, right? This is exactly why we didn't take this trade. You see? We grabbed that top wick, flipped, but it wasn't enough of a top wick for us to take that trade, and now we would be sat in drawdown. Because we understand that we need more liquidity in order to take those positions, right? Yeah, exactly. No FOMO if it runs, and W discipline. Raise, you're exactly right. Chat, there's a reason why we do everything, right? Everything we do has a reason. So if we understand that we're not taking this trade because we need liquidity to be grabbed, that means that we need to come up first. So if we flip down, we understand that we haven't grabbed enough liquidity, and there's a very high probability that we end up getting caught in drawdown, which we would be sat in right now. But a lot of people say, like, why didn't you take this trade because this or that? But if it's not perfect, I'm not taking it, because we understand that there's opportunities that are consistently going to arise. Okay, there's going to be infinite opportunities in this market, and if it's not perfect, there's a reason why it's not perfect. There's a reason why we think that we shouldn't get in. There's you know, reversal potentials and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, we'll just wait for the perfect setup, stay patient, make sure you're disciplined, and that's all you can do, right? As a trader, that's all you can do. You can control the controllables, but that's about it. What are your thoughts on the 4-hour mirror candle 31/5/2024? Wait, 31st of May. Oh yeah, here. Yeah, true. However, was this not a news push? It was a news push, right? Yeah, in my opinion, I mean, it is a nice mirror. To be honest with you, I did not spot that, but doesn't mean that we can still take it, right? Yeah, this was a news push. I remember this candle vividly. It was a 2 o'clock news push, but yeah, I mean, it could be a good mirror, and yeah, like we said, the likelihood is that we do come down and tap 23.22, right? you know, that is the likelihood. However, for me, I just need more liquidity on this candle. Especially since if you go to the 1, right? You're looking at the same candle on the 1. What do we have? Well, we have, you know, bullish closures down here. We came and closed on a lower level. Came back up, grabbed more liquidity, right? And we came up much higher. So you know what we were saying about grabbing liquidity? We came up to 23.36 to grab liquidity before we came back down. So for me, I just need a little bit more of a tap. But yeah, I think it's a good spot, Steve. I can't lie. I just don't think we've got the direction for the day yet, if I'm honest. Five minutes closing in about 40 seconds. They're going to close bullish. If it does, that's almost an indication that we have more room to continue up. Maybe it won't though. Wow. Last minute flip. Not too shabby. Top wick on the previous 15 and flip. Break the 4 hour is good. I didn't even see that the 50. Yeah, you're right. But yeah, we need a top wick up there, to be honest. The volume's coming in though, chat, right now. Did you see this 5 flipping about like no one's business? Literally left, right, and center. It's going up and down, up and down, up and down. So again, I don't really want to be in this. Also ended up closing bullish. Wow. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, it's good drive right now, but again, no FOMO if it does. Remember, we have a high win rate for a reason, right? We take the same setups. We take the, you know, we only take A+, or I don't like the word A+, but we only take optimum setups, right? And if they're not like that, then we're happy to sit out. There's going to be more opportunities. I'm going to be trading in New York as well. So, yeah, we have a lot of time. Gonna trade live. For New York, no, probably not. I'll be in the coaching group in the Discord, so the signals will get sent in there automatically. And I'll be around in the Discord, but I probably won't stream it. Soon I'll start streaming New York though. I probably need to do that. I think it could be an interesting thing. But yeah, chat, see, we're pushing here. Again, no FOMO. Nothing we can do here. Absolutely nothing we can do. What we can do though is we can wait for the next 30-minute closure. If we start to get closures below, I would say this area here at 23.30, I believe. Just check. Yeah, somewhere around this area. Close below there, we should be good for a continuation downwards. Volume's coming in as well, which is good. So we're going to stay locked in. Gives us like 50 pip stops, not too bad. To continue down to the bottom of this range, just have to wait for the closures. Only taking trend setups, yeah, trust me. Whoa. Speaking of, sponsored by Y Nutrition and trend lines on the back as well. I don't really know if I can show you that properly, but it's there. It's there. It's there. It's there. I'm not the biggest fan of this range though right now, chat. Rather wait for us to close outside. Big up, yes sir. Chat, drop a like if you haven't already. Definitely still some potential here, so stay locked in. Make sure you are subscribed if you're new. We've got so much value coming, it's insane. new free course episode this week, new vlog as well this week, I believe, and yeah, new everything. There's so much content coming out. It's fucked. Really, you don't want to miss it. Make sure you're subscribed and join the Discord if you haven't already as well. Completely free. Make sure you join that. That's where the real value and the real community aspect is. 1.3k people in there right now. But yeah, that's where everyone's active, let's say. We have news in 3 hours. Yes, we do. Yes, sir. I started to notice as well, a lot of the movements that we've been having are coming with a 5-minute no top wick. We were in that trade yesterday in sells, and it just started pushing. No, I don't know when this was on the charts exactly, but it just started pushing with absolutely no top wick on the 5. Every time it made a push, it was a no top wick push, which is interesting, because it obviously means that the volume's coming in at the end of the candle or on the opening, let's say. So something that you can keep an eye on for sure. But again, chat, we rejected here once more. For me, it feels as if we need some more direction, or we need more. Yeah, we need I'd say stronger confirmation of the direction that we're going to go in. Price really hasn't made his mind up just yet. There is some volume in the market. There's not enough direction, and like we always say, right, you need direction, you need liquidity, and you need volume. Have you ever looked into NASDAQ? Volume is great. Yeah, I looked into it. I looked into NAS and US30 as well. Just don't really know if I want to trade it that much. I like gold at the minute. I like how it's working, how it's moving, and yeah, for me, I'm so locked in on gold that I'm just trying to focus on that. But I did actually pass a funded by only scalping US30. I actually got that on video. I should probably post it. But yeah, US30 is good. There's a shitload of volume. It's just you can get caught. If you get caught in the wrong direction, you need to be out fast. I feel like it needs to fill the previous wick first in the 1 hour time frame before deciding if it will close above or below. Yeah, no, I agree. I think we need to. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what we were looking for as a top wick, but now come down as a bottom wick first. But it still doesn't mean I can take buys, right? I noticed on NASDAQ you don't need wicks. Why do you think that is? I have no idea why it is. It just doesn't move with wicks. It just moves differently because it's in fucking indices. It just it just moves completely differently, right? You have to understand it's a completely different instrument to anything that we trade. So same with gold, right? Gold is completely different to any forex pair. And yeah, NAS, US30, Germany 30, whatever you're looking at, again, is a completely different instrument to any of these other things, or gold or whatever. So all of these different instruments are going to move differently. They have different buyers, different opening times, different institutions involved. So that's why they move differently. But yeah, chat, this might be a little bit short right now if we just start closing this range and ranging again. This 30-minute closure doesn't do anything. I'll probably call it. And we will be going solely into the group. We'll be trading New York, but trading in the coaching group. If this is what we're looking at. Looks like a pixel pattern to me. Potentially, Spion, potentially. 12 minutes. Whoa. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So the 1 hour flipped here, chat. Obviously the 30 did as well, right? Can this be a continuation to the upside, at least? Took a long on 23.32 based on my analysis. Hope it plays well. Hey, that's good, Mark. That's the thing, right? As long as you're taking the trade based off of your analysis and you trust your analysis and you know you have a reasoning behind the trade, and it doesn't matter what happens, right? Either it's going to be data collection with a loss or you're going to get that win, right? That's essentially it. Thanks, man. See you in a bit, Florian. Trust me though, yeah, exactly. As long as you're taking a trade based off your own analysis, making sure that you're sticking to your plan, risking appropriately, and all that good stuff, then you are completely fine. If that trade wins or loses, it does not matter. You're either going to take a lesson or you're going to take a win. Simple. Lessons for every trade, yes. Every single trade you're taking, you should be thinking, what can I do better? What can I do differently, etc. And as long as you're doing that, then you're good. I miss Pixelate so much. Yeah, I missed it too. It's gonna be good. We better win though, otherwise I'm gonna be upset. I'm playing. But chat, if this 30 closes like this, can we take an onion play to the upside in order to come and fill the top of this range? Whoa, 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 whoa. We need a trend coin. No chance. Nah, I'd love to do that realistically, but the moment that I release a coin or whatever, everyone's going to call me a fucking scammer or some shit, so can't be done. Even if you guys all make money and it's not a rug pull, somehow I still get called a scammer, so funny. Nine minutes to 30-minute close here, chat. Let's see what happens. I'll take the heat, yeah. Nah, problem with coins like that is some people have to lose so others win. Yeah, but that's live, Crypto Maniac, right? That's live. Unless we all just promise to never sell. And then we just hold this asset forever. Do you trade live every day? What's good, J Vlogs? Yes, I do. I trade live every single day. Every single morning, 8 AM BST. Yeah. Trade live every day. What's the point of not selling? That's a joke. It's just, I don't know. Isn't that the same with day trading? Because where else would the money... Yeah, this is how it works, right? It's just life. Someone is... Yeah, there's always... Well, actually, for us, most likely there's not. Because most likely, most of us are on B-books for brokers, I'd say. And, well, hopefully some of you are not, right? But with fundeds as well, it's all... you know, demo. But if you're trading on a live broker and you're A-booked, then there is always a counterpart to your trade, right? You always have to sell to someone, especially if you're trading like OTC. I know a few people that trade over-the-counter stocks, and essentially how that works is you literally sell directly to another person. There's no broker involved. But even still, you're looking at, you know, someone is losing when you're winning every single time. The same with every single market that there is in the world, right? Someone's always losing. But that's just how capitalism works, right? Someone has to be poor so that someone else can be rich. Or in fact, it's sad, but a lot of people have to be poor for one person to be rich. And that's why you saw the propaganda that we saw earlier, right? That's why you see shit like, I don't know. I don't want to bring it back up, but yeah. That's 6 minutes to this close here. No hate to any Asian traders, but Trem, most of the Asian traders are not traders, they gamble most of the time. Is that true? I don't know. I'll buy 10k worth of trend coins, close half, and just let it run forever. Bro, that'd be so funny. That would be so funny. In my case, when I sell my position to someone else, it runs for another 100 pips, so they ain't losing. Yeah. Nah, technically that means they lose even more, right? Because if you're in a buy and then you sell it, that means someone else has just entered a sell. And then if it keeps running up, then they're now in drawdown as well. So they lost. Or you just triggered someone's stop loss by when you sold. But obviously, not with us, because we're fucking trading demos. Or B-booked brokers. Let's see the chat. 4 minutes disclosure right now. Can we get a nice little bullish closure here and then a bottom wick? That could be a decent play for a continuation to the top of the range. However, we need to see if it forms correctly. If not, it's going to be pixel letters. But chat, as always, make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you're new. Probably most likely going to call it here, I can't lie. Yeah, chat, I'm going to call it right now. This is not okay, wait, I can wait 3 minutes. It's okay. It's okay, I can wait 3 minutes. Low volume, yeah, Phelps, low volume, exactly. The 5 did just come down with no bottom wick though, so I'm anticipating that if this flips, we could be looking okay. But if not, then yeah, we'll have to wait. Or not have to wait, we'll call it. Loki missed playing pixel letters. Yeah, it's goated. It's absolutely goated. I missed it too. I was thinking about playing it whilst I was away, but I was like, I can't do that to you guys. I nearly loaded it up. I can't lie. Nearly loaded it up. Let's all make Beancoin instead, so then Eugene will be the scammer. Yeah, trust me, let's do that. Let's run it out. Alright, gang. I'm going to play pixel letters right now. Pixel letters. Beans. It's been a long time, chat, but it's back. Back, and it's better than ever. Beans pulled through today. Someone tell me the word. Iggy Azalea launched that shit. Crazy. People buy that, they're retards. Can't be germs. How many trades do you take daily? 1 to 2. 1 to 2 trades daily, my friend. Been pumping though, yeah, because idiots buy it. Why? Apple, you know. I just actually deleted that to guess Eugene's guess, and then this guy put Apple. I don't know what the word is. Can't be cents, because there's some shit here, right? There can't be an N. Okay, I'm just gonna do a fill, I guess. Not even a word. Crazy. Insane from you, Tyler. I don't know what the word is here, chat. Bro, when will you upload the next video in the free course series? Luna, it was meant to be up last week, but obviously with my laptop and everything not being there, I couldn't do it. So it'll be up this week at some point, okay? And then I'm gonna keep pumping them out. Okay, good. Alright. What is this word? This is pissing me off that we can't get this word, I can't lie. Chat. Someone give me the word. Yeah, 30-minute close bearish anyway, chat, so nothing I can do here. Yeah, where's Tutti Fruity, Josh, Nicola, where are them all at? Barrel is not a bad guess, but it can't be an L at the end. Seeing a bit behind you. Seeing a bit. I thought I could Google it, you know. Didn't work out. What is this word, chat? I'm gonna cry in a second. Oh my god, someone fucking figure this word out. There's not even an R in the middle. It can't be fetal, it can't be an F at the start, and it can't be a T. But I just had to guess because it was pissing me off. What is this word? Market was so chopped. Yeah, trust me, the market is chopped. Sorry guys, I'm so focused on this word right now. It's pissing me off. Why can't we get this word? It's so easy. I was stuck in traffic, lol. Yeah. Bro, you're better off not being in the market when it's this choppy. I can't lie. Hi, Sanat. Oh my god. Oh, it can be a D second, right? I was thinking it had to be like a P or an R or something. So it could be XED. Oh, wait, is it not? Nah, it can't be that, but... Right. Oh, is it not? Cedar? It's gotta be. Fucking hell. Jesus Christ, chat. Wow. That was a bit of a stretch. What is a cedar? It's a type of wood. Fuck me, that was difficult. Yeah, well, trust me, it was. Just a type of tree, yeah. Yeah, come on, I knew it was a U second. Alright, what are we looking at here, chat? Time to clutch up. Oh. Oh. Can it be that? Not a word. Yeah, Spion and Jar come through with a clutch. Alright, final one. This one we need to actually lock in, otherwise we're gonna be in trouble. I've been slacking, chat. What's the move here? Oh, I thought I had it then, I can't lie. I thought that was an OP guess. Queer. Crazy. I'm gonna do some of your video courses. What one should I start with? Just depends how much you know. Like, episode 1 is essentially market basics. Episode 2, we go into, you know, more candle formations, that type of stuff. But yeah, you can go through them all, to be honest, if you want. It's pretty simple. It just depends, like, yeah, what level you're at right now. Any guesses, chat? I was thinking Cupid, but I don't even know. It's not, it can't be that. What? Human. It can't be that, but I'm gonna try it. Okay, chat, what are we looking at here? In who? Hilarious. Gesundheit. Thank you, Spion. Could it be cubic? I think that's a solid guess, I can't lie. I think that's a solid guess. Am I sending it, chat? There's a lot on the line for this one. But, okay. Get in there, my son. Go on, my son. Yeah, dubs all round. Alright, chat, cool. We'll call it there, yeah? Appreciate y'all. Winners win, indeed. Chat, I'm gonna go hit a fat gym session, I think. I think that's the move. And yeah. Time for a training session. Yes, sir. Caught 20 pips. Happy with that. Good shit, Mark. GG's. GG's. Chat, I'll catch you in the Discord. Make sure you're in the Discord. If you want to be in the signals as well to catch my trades for New York, you can. Also, it includes a free daily call at 8 PM UK time. Essentially, that's the main part of it, right? The coaching group. But yeah, other than that, guys, make sure you have a sick rest of the day. I'm very glad to be back. I'll see you all at the same time tomorrow, 8 AM UK time. Drop a like and a subscribe if you haven't already. And other than that, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Much love.